Welcome back, listeners, to another episode of the Beginner's Guide to AI, your portal to the endlessly fascinating world of artificial intelligence. With Argo.Berlin at the helm, we're diving deep into the mechanics and marvels of AI technologies, unraveling their complexities to bring you clear, insightful narratives. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of ChatGPT's linguistic prowess, exploring a concept fundamental not just to ChatGPT, but to the fabric of modern AI technologies: tokens. Imagine, if you will, the Rosetta Stone, an ancient artifact inscribed with a decree in 3 scripts. It served as a key to understanding Egyptian hieroglyphs, a language lost to time until its discovery. In the realm of AI, tokens play a similarly pivotal role. They are the AI's Rosetta Stone, translating the vast, chaotic expanse of human language into a form that machines can not only understand, but analyze with astonishing depth and nuance. But what exactly are these tokens, and why does an advanced AI like ChatGPT rely on them instead of simply learning from words as we do? The answer lies in the nature of language itself, a fluid, ever-evolving medium that no single model could hope to fully encapsulate using words alone. Tokens offer a versatile, dynamic approach, allowing AIs like ChatGPT to navigate the intricacies of language, from the common to the obscure, with unparalleled efficiency. This episode isn't just about understanding tokens, it's about appreciating their role in the broader context of AI's interaction with human language. We'll explore how tokenization enables AIs to deal with out-of-vocabulary words, facilitates efficient data processing, and supports the model's ability to generalize across different tasks and languages. By the end of our journey today, you'll not only grasp the significance of tokens but also gain insight into the ingenuity underlying AI's linguistic capabilities. So, whether you're a budding AI enthusiast keen to decode the secrets of machine learning, or simply curious about the technology shaping our future, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of tokens. Let's embark on this journey together, unraveling the mysteries that enable AIs like ChatGPT to converse, comprehend, and connect with us in the vast digital expanse. In the heart of today's episode, we find ourselves exploring a topic that's both foundational and fascinating in the realm of artificial intelligence: the concept of tokens and their pivotal role in the operations of models like ChatGPT. To truly understand the significance of tokens, let's first demystify what they are. In essence, tokens are the building blocks of language for AI. Just as bricks come together to build a house, tokens come together to build the structure of understanding for a language model. To break it down, tokenization is the process of converting text into a sequence of tokens. Think of it as chopping up a sentence into pieces, where each piece can be a word, part of a word, or even punctuation. This might sound simple, but it's a crucial step in making the text understandable to AIs. Why not just use whole words? The answer lies in the complexity of human language. Our language is a vast ocean, teeming with nuances, idioms, and variations. By using tokens, AIs can navigate this ocean more effectively, handling everything from common phrases to rare words that might only appear once in a vast corpus of text. Now, why does this matter? First and foremost, efficiency. Tokens allow AIs to process and understand text using fewer resources, which is vital given the enormous amount of data they learn from. Additionally, tokens provide a way to manage the unknown. In every language, new words and phrases are constantly emerging. Tokens, especially when they represent smaller pieces of words, enable AIs to piece together the meaning of words it has never encountered before, using the parts it knows. Let's illustrate this with a simple example. Consider the word unbreakable. If an AI has never seen this word before but knows the tokens UN, break, and label, it can infer the word's meaning by combining the meaning of its parts. This ability is not just impressive, it's essential for dealing with the richness and variability of human language. Moreover, tokenization isn't just about breaking text down into manageable pieces, it's about understanding the relationships and structures within language. Through tokens, AI learns to recognize patterns in how words and parts of words come together to convey meaning. This pattern recognition is at the heart of everything from simple tasks like recognizing synonyms to complex ones like generating coherent, contextually appropriate responses in a conversation. Understanding tokenization also opens a window into the broader challenges and strategies in AI development. For instance, it highlights the balance between generalization and specialization in AI training. Tokens help models generalize across languages and contexts, but they also require careful design and optimization to ensure they capture the nuances necessary for specialized tasks. In summary, tokens are much more than just pieces of text. They represent a bridge between human language and AI understanding. They are a testament to the ingenuity behind AIs like ChatGPT, enabling these models to interact with the complexity of human language in a structured, efficient, and dynamic way. By diving into the world of tokens, we not only gain insight into how AIs process and generate language, but also appreciate the intricate dance of complexity and efficiency that defines the cutting edge of AI research and development. ChatGPT uses a special method of breaking down text called subword-level tokenization. Imagine you have a big Lego set to build a castle. Instead of using only single blocks, words, or huge pre-made castle parts, sentences, you use a mix of smaller sections, subwords, that can be combined in different ways to build parts of the castle. This method lets ChatGPT handle a wide variety of words, even those it hasn't seen before, by breaking them down into smaller, manageable pieces. Here's why this is cool. Flexibility with new words. If ChatGPT comes across a word it doesn't recognize, it can break it down into smaller pieces that it knows. For example, if it doesn't know a smartphone, it might recognize smart and phone as parts of other words it has seen. Efficiency. This method helps ChatGPT understand and generate text using fewer resources because it doesn't need to remember as many individual words, it just needs to know how to combine the pieces. By using subword-level tokenization, ChatGPT is like a skilled Lego builder, using a set of standard blocks to create almost anything it can imagine, making it very good at understanding and producing language in a way that feels natural and flexible. Tokenization, as a method, though ingenious for processing and understanding language at scale, introduces several nuanced challenges and limitations. Here, we delve into these intricacies, particularly focusing on issues like ambiguity, idiomatic expressions, and the dynamic nature of language. Handling ambiguity. One of the most significant challenges posed by tokenization is ambiguity in language. Words or phrases often carry multiple meanings, and their interpretation can vary widely depending on context. For instance, the word banks might refer to a financial institution, the side of a river, or a turn in flight dynamics. Tokenization must be paired with sophisticated context analysis to accurately determine meaning, necessitating advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques. Despite these technologies, achieving precise context understanding remains a complex hurdle, with potential for misinterpretation impacting the AI's responses or analyses. Idiomatic expressions. Language is peppered with idiomatic expressions, colloquialisms, and slang, which often defy direct translation or literal interpretation. Phrases like bite the bullet or break the ice can be particularly challenging for AI to process using standard tokenization techniques. These expressions require AI systems to have not just a literal understanding of language, but also a deep cultural and contextual awareness to interpret accurately. Training AI models to grasp these nuances involves extensive datasets and exposure to varied contexts, a task that is both resource-intensive and never entirely complete due to the evolving nature of language. Evolving language. Language is not static, it evolves, grows, and transforms over time. New words emerge, meanings shift, and old words may fall out of use. This continuous evolution poses a challenge for tokenization and AI language models that rely on it. Keeping the tokenization process and the underlying model updated with the latest linguistic developments requires ongoing learning and adaptation. However, the pace at which language changes can outstrip the update cycles of AI models, leading to gaps in understanding or relevance. Technical limitations. The process of tokenization, while streamlining language processing, introduces technical challenges. The segmentation of text into tokens increases the computational complexity, especially for languages with intricate syntax or those that do not use spaces to separate words. Moreover, the storage and processing of a vast number of tokens, especially for large-scale AI models trained on extensive datasets, demand substantial computational resources and memory, posing scalability challenges. Conclusion. Despite these challenges, tokenization remains a cornerstone of AI's ability to interact with human language. Addressing these limitations requires continuous innovation in AI research, including the development of more sophisticated context analysis algorithms, the creation of richer training datasets, and improvements in computational efficiency. As AI technology advances, the strategies for overcoming the hurdles presented by tokenization will undoubtedly evolve, leading to more nuanced, accurate, and effective language models. For listeners keen on diving deeper into the world of AI and how tokenization plays a critical role in technologies like ChatGPT, here's a compelling call to action: join our newsletter at argoberlin.com/newsletter. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of tips, tricks, and insights designed specifically for AI beginners. Whether you're looking to understand the basics or explore advanced concepts, our newsletter offers valuable resources to enhance your learning journey. Don't miss out on this opportunity to expand your AI knowledge with Argo.Berlin. As we journey through the landscape of artificial intelligence and explore the intricacies of tokenization, I invite you to engage further with this concept by undertaking a small, yet enlightening project. Consider this your homework, if you will, but one that promises to be as intriguing as it is educational. Dive into the world of AI-powered writing tools. Many of these platforms offer a glimpse into the process of tokenization and how it influences the generation of text. Select a tool that allows you to experiment with text generation and craft a short piece, be it a story, a poem, or an article. As you do so, reflect on the choices the tool makes in constructing sentences and paragraphs. How does it deal with complex words or phrases? Can you identify instances where tokenization might have played a role in how the text was formulated? This exercise isn't just about seeing AI in action, it's about developing a deeper understanding of the mechanisms that underpin such technologies. Observing these processes firsthand will not only reinforce what we've discussed in today's episode, but also spark further curiosity about the capabilities and future developments of AI in language processing. Engaging with AI tools in this manner is more than an academic exercise, it's a step towards demystifying the technology that is increasingly becoming a part of our daily lives. So, I encourage you to embark on this exploration with an open mind and a keen eye for the nuances of AI-generated language. In this episode of The Beginner's Guide to AI, we took a deep dive into the world of tokens, a cornerstone concept in the functionality of artificial intelligence models like ChatGPT. Tokens serve as the AI's Rosetta Stone, translating the complexity of human language into manageable units that enable these technologies to understand and interact with us with remarkable depth and nuance. We explored the essence of tokenization, a process akin to cutting a puzzle into pieces, where each token represents a piece of the language puzzle. This process allows AIs to effectively navigate the vast ocean of human language, dealing with its intricacies, nuances, idioms, and even the challenge of out-of-vocabulary words. By breaking down text into tokens, whether they be whole words, parts of words, or punctuation, AIs can process and comprehend language with unparalleled efficiency. A special focus was placed on ChatGPT's use of subword-level tokenization. This approach, likened to using a mix of smaller Lego sections to build complex structures, gives ChatGPT the flexibility to understand and generate language by combining smaller, known pieces into new constructions. This method is particularly adept at handling words the model hasn't encountered before, showcasing its efficiency and adaptability. However, tokenization isn't without its challenges. We discussed the hurdles such as handling ambiguity, idiomatic expressions, the evolving nature of language, and technical limitations. These challenges underscore the complexity of processing human language and the continuous innovation required to refine AI's understanding. In essence, tokenization bridges the gap between human language and AI, facilitating a dynamic, structured, and efficient interaction. It's a testament to the ingenuity behind models like ChatGPT, enabling them to engage with the complexity of human communication and continuously learn from it. This episode not only aimed to illuminate the concept of tokens, but also to inspire further exploration and understanding of AI's linguistic capabilities. As we concluded, we reflected on the elegance of tokenization in making AI communication not just possible, but remarkably human-like, underscoring the simplicity and reliability that underpin these advanced technologies. In closing today's insightful journey through the world of tokens and their indispensable role in the fabric of AI technologies like ChatGPT, let's draw inspiration from a luminary in the field of computer science, Edgar W. Dijkstra, who once said, "Simplicity is prerequisite for reliability." This profound statement resonates deeply with the essence of our discussion on tokens. It underscores the elegance of tokenization in achieving the complex task of language understanding and generation by AI. Through the lens of simplicity, tokenization enables AIs to navigate the intricacies of human language, ensuring a reliable and meaningful interaction between humans and machines. Please don't forget to subscribe to the podcast. Your engagement fuels our journey into the vast and vibrant world of AI, guiding us through the myriad pathways of knowledge and discovery. Together, let's continue to unravel the mysteries of artificial intelligence, one episode at a time.